So guys, a thunderstorm is here. I believe 96.9 Wink is gonna do alert. Let's check PBS, kids. Okay, I believe they're not doing yet, but they're about to do it soon. And there's one more channel. It's MeTV, WCVN channel. It's MeTV, which is WCVN channel 2, and I believe they're going to do it in a few minutes. So let's check the radio before we head to it. Oh, another one. Oh, here's WCVN. Tell him. You redid the. Let's check PBS. No, they didn't do it.
Purchasing a new home seemed too over.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Naples, Golden Gate Estates, Naples Park, Vineyards, and Golden Gate. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Collier, Florida.
I believe PBS did that. Let's check 96.9.
Office says James Gonzalez.
No, not yet.
The 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
If he sees you, he'll try to stop you from leaving. What do they do?
Okay, let's check Telemundo because I believe they're gonna do the same thing. No, they're still on the Weather Channel right now. Univision, WVF, I believe it's called, did an EIS during the award right now. So guys,
hope the right person comes along, which is why you should.
So guys, a severe thunderstorm has been alerted to Collier and Lee starting at 5:38 p.m. Eastern Time. And Box 4 is still doing it right now. So Office 4 AES, you better have to hear this and go to 96.9. I believe you have to go to 96.9. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure if Wink is gonna do the same thing, but you better check what's going on right now. So yeah, we're gonna have more details about this, guys. And MeTVD and EAS, I'm not sure about that. I think they did it, but I missed it because I was on the PBS channel.
The trains were.
Let's check 202. Oh, not 202.
Genesi has been.
You know we love our Connecticut home water system.
So just remind. Hang on, we're gonna go to Wink very quick.
Uncertainties and hesitations about what you're actually getting.
So I believe Wink is not doing the EAS right now. So we're gonna check on every radio station. So yeah. I'll check the weather service. Oh! Guys, you gotta hear this.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Chocoloskee to Bonita Beach, Florida, about 20 nautical miles.
A marine warning.
15 p.m. Beach, moving south at p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Bonita Beach. Can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations.
Oops, wrong button.
This is skilled machinist.
We gotta check wing.
Mount Charlie 4135.
Miami on Facebook and Twitter.
So there was an EAS 6, I believe, yeah, 6 and a 7. The 6 one is for the severe thunderstorm warning, and the 7 one is for a special marine warning. So Southwest Florida EDS, go check your Midland radio right now, because there was a thunderstorm warning and a marine warning. I believe you're filming that right now. So yeah. So at this time,
Radar indicated.
Oh, they're still going.
Impact. Hail damage
Powerhouse. And now that's
to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Naples, Golden Gate Estates, Naples Park, Vineyards, Golden Gate. For your protection, move to an
Sorry,
interior
guys.
room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lee County.
Okay, so this is Wink WXCW. By the way, I'm sorry. They said on their screen down there, they said that source radar indicated impact hail damage is to vehicles as expected. So let's check Wink one more time. This is part 2. Bye.